The floor squeaks. The sink stopped up, and the roof's propped up. Oh, darn! Double darn!
Hold it! Simmer down, sister. What bugs you like this?
Oh, woe is me. My house is crumbling, my stomach rumbling, and I've not a crumb to eat.
All right already. Stop with the corny dramatics and maybe I can help you out.
Oh, pray tell, kind benefactor.
Oh, boy, what a kook. Now, look, I can't help you if you keep trying to win first prize for acting.
Now you're scolding me.
This dame is sick, sick, sick. Now get up off the floor and listen. If you want to get out of this mess, why don't you sell your cow?
A splendid idea. Oh, but alas, I could not. I could not sell my lovely cow.
Knock it off. I'll do it for you. I'll sell your cow.
Would you do that? Really now? Would you do that for little old me? Really, would you now? Really?
Hey, Bud, where are you going with the cow?
Oh, I'm going to sell her in the city.
Pal. Now, you look like a smart fella. I'll tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go there and see what there's up.
Come in. Did you sell the cow?
Yep. Hold out your hand.
Beans?
Now, wait a minute. Those are magic beans.
Don't give me that Jack of the Beanstalk routine. Now get out of here. And take your silly beans, you fink.
Well, that's gratitude. Wow! The Giant's Castle.
That's my dear departed daddy. He was killed when that nasty Jack chopped down the beanstalk. But Daddy left me well fixed. I got my magic harp.
Yeah.
And over here, my goose that lays golden eggs. I shall carry on for my daddy. Fee-fi-fo-fum. I smell a woodpecker.
Do I smell? Holy mackerel. You're a giant?
Well, I've been sick. But now I'm gonna eat you up. Fee-fi-fo-fum. I smell...
You sure do.
What are you doing in there?
Believe it or not, I'm waiting for a taxi. Hey, taxi. Bye now.
Fee-fi-fo-fum. Now I'm gonna make a woodpecker stew. I'll carry on for my daddy. I'll take a little nap now. This was my daddy's bed.
Uh-oh, hot stuff. Achoo! Come and get it. Soup's on. Hold out your hands.
What's this?
That is a golden egg.
Where did you get it?
From the little guy that lives in the castle on top of the beanstalk.
Yeah? Is he married?
Nope.
Yahoo! Yoo-hoo! Wilbur!
It's Minnie!
Wilbur! I knew I'd find you someday. Wilbur!
Quick, give me that axe.